In this video, I will show you how to automate social media posting with Repurpose.io. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. Once you're in Repurpose.io, go to the left column and scroll down to Connections. Make sure that your social media accounts are connected to Repurpose.io. If they are not, go to the top right corner and select Add New Connection. Then log into your social media accounts. Once you have done that, go to Create Workflow in the top left corner. Then select the account you want Repurpose to post from. So we can select TikTok. Then select the account you would like it to post to. So we are going to choose YouTube. Then select your account. Then you can select the video type, Shorts or Video. You can also select which playlist you would like it to post to. Once you have done that, then select Create Workflow. And just like that, you have automated social media posts. So now my social media posts will automatically post from TikTok to YouTube. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.